So it's been 6 months since they placed their modular home on our lot. And in that time, they have installed the sewage system, the electrical lines, water lines, they put the porch on, they've repaired a weak floor joist under the house, they replaced a bathroom door, and they repaired the stress cracks on the walls. We're still waiting for them to do a few things inside the house, like there's some scratches and some caulking they need to do. They also need to paint the inside of the house. We just found out that the turnkey house that we purchased does not include a final coat of paint. It only is primed. So we're currently working with the company to see if we can get that taken care of so we can move in, because there's no way we're going to move in the house without it being painted. In the meantime, while we're waiting on all that to get done, we're outside working on things like we've been working on the drainage behind our house, trying to get all the water to run downhill. Protecting our wood piles, since it's obvious we won't be able to use them this year. Deciding where the garage is going to be. Cutting down trees that are going to be in the way of the garage. Filling in the spot where we had a big sunk hole, or where all the water was running anyway in the yard, filling it in with mulch. That leads to having to replant some plants. Cleaning up some of the yard brush. Collecting rocks to use in our French drain later on.